How to buy 14 unicorn token. So this token came under the symbol of FU. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply just go to below, find your account, and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. So as you can see, before going on buy this token, make sure to check the REX account and keep following the updates about this token. As you can see, this token is available on MEXC. Now to be able to buy this token, copy the token address from here. As you can see, this token address sits under this Solana network. Open your funds wallet for that. Now I will look into my wallet first. Click on swap. Make sure you have enough Solana on your wallet. Now click here and paste the token address. So this is our token. Click on it and here type how much you want to buy. And as you can see, this is how much you will receive of that token. After that, select the provider, for example, Jupiter. Make sure to read all of that information here. And after that, click on swap and you will be able to redirect you to Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. If you face any issue, go back to this page. Switch the slippage from here or custom it, because the most of issues came from the slippage. And after that, you can be able to buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy FU token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.